That be vagina.
Me?
Punani.
She would have said punani. Me I say pussy.
So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about.
So my beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video.
Yeah, people, another banger. I want to go hot.
From the title down below, you don't know how to come. We're going to do some words how Jamaica mispronounce them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See me, I know we Jamaican chap bad already.
Right.
You see me? Like all me a chap bad.
Me worse, guys. Me worse. And before we get into the video, I just want to thanks everybody who watch our video. Remember, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell.
Yeah, people,
which is the right thing. Turn that subscribe button gray.
And comment. Share the video them as well. She said,
yeah,
pretty wifey. That's it. And people, we have mask to sell. You see me? Mask to sell. I don't know. We have to spread the business. Yeah. So then time we have mask to sell.
Yeah, we have mask selling for $501 in Kingston, Jamaica. So if you're in Kingston, Jamaica, you want mask,
link up. You see me? Yeah. So let's jump in the video, babe.
Yeah, let's get right into
jump
that
in
side.
the video.
Let's go. So the first words we have are children.
Children?
Yeah. How Jamaica mispronounce that word?
Bikini.
And we have...
Bring the pick.
Bring the penny, come, girl.
Hey, picnic. Where you want to picnic them they have over your yard?
Billy, yes, picnic them go on a yard, no?
Yeah.
Yes, that's one word.
Next one.
We have fantastic.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Everything Irie.
Yeah.
Irie.
And we have father. Wait a second.
Father.
Like, bro.
Yeah, father.
Where do you get that DA from?
Father.
It's father. Wanna get that DA from at the end?
Oh yeah, a DA. Where is that? Where the there? Father. Right
father.
There.
THER.
Wait, what? God.
Where come off, God? I don't know. And the next word we have a done.
Down.
Yeah, down.
Down.
Yeah, look, wanna get that DU in the from?
Down.
Yeah.
Me I go down there.
Guys, wanna get the DUN from?
Yes,
I'm talking about all the Jamaicans that are going to comment in the comment section. Wanna get that DUN from?
Down.
Down. And the next word that we have brother. Like, bro. Brother.
Them gone with the THER.
Brother. Where you get the brother?
It's all there.
Dash it away. And leave it behind and decide to
brother. Easy no man.
Easy spell when I say BRADA.
Yes,
right?
words when you text. I'll be that me use.
Brother.
Text
so the next word would be vagina.
Me?
Punani.
She would have said punani. Me I say pussy.
Jamaica misspell vagina for punani.
Yeah.
Punani.
Yeah, them would have say pussy.
Yes, Jamaica would have say punani.
Pussy type. Don't know, cause we don't want.
We don't want to.
Yeah, you know, restriction.
We don't want YouTube
to
see video, yeah.
So the next one, babe.
Forehead.
Forehead. Where you get forehead from?
Wanna get forehead?
Forehead are the right word. Forehead.
Wanna get forehead from?
Next one, let's talk about forehead.
Like, the correct word is forehead. Wanna get forehead from? Oh, that Jappy.
Me? I'll head front.
Head front. Wanna get that something there from? Head front. Like, bro, wanna get those from?
No, my head from big.
Billy said this one would have pronounced the correct pronunciation would have be bottom, but I think it's ass.
She said ass, me say bottom.
So if I bring it at the comment section, you can drop it in there.
Comment section.
So Jamaican misspell it would have be batty. Like, bro.
Yeah.
Batty.
Batty biggie.
Television.
People, wanna guess that one there before we say.
Quick and 5 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
TV.
Like, Television, all the T and the V. Me don't know.
TV. Television. TV.
We Jamaicans, all those twist up things
Done
and
with
just
it.
say, alright then, that's how we make it work in our TV. We are say.
Miss,
Never
hold on. Who can, we have in our class as with students. Who can spell television? Miss TV.
Like bro, I have a sister. I know she go watch a video, big up herself, you know yourself. So when she said TV, she said TV.
TV.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
TV, big up yourself, you know who me at.
Turn on the TV.
Turn on the TV in there.
Why Jamaica are the best, man.
Big up yourself, my sister, I love you.
Why you have on the paper there?
We have radio.
Radio. Turn on the radio.
Jamaica, that's a turn on the radio.
Radio, yeah.
And
radio.
guys, you see the mispronounced words, we're going to put them on the screen. So you can see the correct spelling and the mispronounced spelling.
Yeah, radio.
Guys, the one here.
Come with it, huh?
Shrimp.
Shrimps. Oh, shrimp?
So the correct word would be shrimp. And we Jamaican call it shrimps.
Shrimps, yeah.
Shrimps.
Me especially say shrimps. I mean I say shrimp.
You remember that video there?
Yeah, where shrimps.
We're going to put it in there. We're going to put it right there. So either yes or other side.
This where you there?
Guys, that one here.
What that?
3.
So
alright, so guys, this is what?
3.
I said 3. This is what?
3.
So guys,
I said 3. 3 finger, but I do a tree this like forest tree. They are forest, but they are called this.
Tree, as we said, we're gonna put it on the.
Yeah, you have to
so we can understand what we are saying. 3, but we said 3. Or when we are called this, we said 3. And the tree out the door, we said 3.
Yeah, we know for the mouth, you know, 3.
Yeah, we just said 3. The next one, certificate. Oh, yeah, that pronounce that one there. Oh, Jamaica mispronounce that one there.
Certificate.
Certificate. Oh, that's coming. Oh, the certificate. Ticket come at the end. I don't understand.
You graduate, you get a ticket. You go into the world and a certificate.
The correct word is certificate.
Ticket you get.
Oh, you get a certificate.
You get a pass. Certificate.
Alright, the next word are pomegranate.
Panganat.
Bro,
Yeah.
pomegranate.
Me never hear my mother, my father, my granny or nobody call that panganat. Panganat.
But that's the correct word. If me pronounce it properly.
Panganat.
We Jamaicans say panganat, but the correct word is
Paragrate. It's a paragrate. A panganat.
Correct me if me mispronounce it wrong.
A panganat. Me say.
Elastic. Where you leave the E gone? What the E run gone leave it, Billy? Me tell us the person elastic. Elastic you talk like where does the E run gone?
People elastic. Open this. Say elastic. Elastic me say for me go school miss.
Yeah, but the correct spelling, the correct pronunciation is elastic.
You know what mess you up? The phone.
Yeah, man, because we love shorthand writing.
Texting mash we up.
Alright, this one. X-ray.
X-ray.
What the T fall? X-ray.
Where tray come from? Where tray come from?
It's X-ray.
X-ray.
Where the T come from before the R?
X-ray. Ain't no not British.
Guys.
X-ray.
We have violence.
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 So the correct word is violence.
Violence. We don't say violent.
Violence out the road or violent. Violent out the road. Violence.
We have no long, the correct, would I say, long hair. But Jamaican would I say what?
Tall hair.
Like bro, all tall hair, all the tall fall in it.
I girl hair tall, you know.
But I think the correct thing is long hair.
Yeah, long hair, because tall go up. And then long would be like down.
Yeah.
You see me? Long hair. Tall hair. But I said, I'm on the tally. But then I say, I'm on the longy.
Yeah. So the correct would be long hair.
Yeah, long hair.
Alright, the final one we have, guys. And before me get into the final one, I just want to say, don't forget, if you enjoy the video, if you don't want some more video like this, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, and hit the
notification
bell, turn it grey, man. Mash it up.
Like, comment, and share. Yeah, and guys, leave your thoughts in the comment section as usual. I just want to say thank you all, and we'll jump back into the video now. So yeah, so the last one we have hand miggle.
Palm my hand, but a hand miggle we call it.
We call it hand miggle, but this in here it call it palm, right?
Palm
of your hand, but we say
watch it. Everybody has say hand miggle, you know.
Hand miggle.
Watch them.
Everybody will say yeah, hand miggle. Don't
watch them.
But it's actually a palm.
Your palm, this brother. Your palm, this Sheen. Sheen, this is a palm. Ocean, palm.
I hope we get it right. So guys, there you have it today.
Yeah.
And this concludes the end of the video.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for comment. Thanks for liking the video. And remember, we are waiting if we bring go 1,200 subscribers.
Yeah.
Thanks to everybody who actually subscribe, who actually watch. So live
big
good,
up
walk good.
Big up to everybody watch your video and support. I continuously support you. You see me?
Yeah, and I just before I end the video, I know I said that over a million times, but I just want to say thanks to everybody that is running our playlist, who actually just left it around on a TV, on a computer, or on a phone. We really actually appreciate it. So only thanks for that as well, guys.
Say now, tell them about the Lulu Holistic.
Oh yeah.
Use up our discount.
Don't forget to use my discount code. Levy at Lulu Holistic. Skincare themselves. Products for your skin, for your hair, for your nails, everything.
And remember, so we have the mask, the people.
Yeah, we have mask selling as well for $500.
All different styles.
500 Jamaican dollars. So if you want to support us, you can go ahead, give us a call. You can DM us on Instagram.
Yeah.
And Instagram Determinelevy.
Our business page
Jewel and Grills.
My Instagram page is Junior_Jenna, and on Facebook it's Junior Bell.
Yeah, my Facebook is Cavian Levy.
Yes, you can just go ahead and blow up your social media. Stay good.
Wow, good, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.